Karl Wirsum's Screamin Jay is a vibrant, hilarious, and beautiful portrait of the great R&B performer Screamin Jay Hawkins. Karl Wirsum was a Chicago artist who, with great ingenuity, took the language of commercial graphics, of pinball machines, and of barbershop windows, of wrestling magazines, and of comic books, and blended that with a really intense interest in botany and in Mesoamerican imagery and also in insect dissections. He put it all together in a stew and came up with a really particular kind of visual language. So in the case of this image, Screamin Jay, he essentially reinvents what a figure can be. He combines all of those influences to create this portrait of a performer in full flight. He's sweating and shouting, and as Karl said, raining sweat down on the audience. So when you look at this painting and you see a little guy in the bottom center wearing some sort of protective outfit, that's meant to be the audience. This was Karl's own experience of seeing Screamin Jay Hawkins. And now, when Screamin Jay saw that painting, he liked it so much that it became the album cover art for his next record.